Welcome to the EWS Orion data portal. In this video, we are going to be looking at how to set up a typical well cap installation with a depth to water calibration on Orion. Please refer to our introduction to soft sensors and calibration video and make sure you have the appropriate user permissions before continuing with this video. After installing your well cap switch and level sensor in the field, it is best practice to take notes about the well cap, including the site name, IMEI or cell number, a depth to water or dip tape measurement, meters H2O reading from the sensor, and any other information about the site that we may need to complete the Orion setup later. Once you log on to Orion, you will follow the basic steps below to set up the device. By configuring the device details and channels, creating a new depth to water soft sensor, and placing a new depth to water calibration on that soft sensor. Please see our other videos for details on the first two steps, as we'll focus on the soft sensor creation and the calibration steps in this video. Typically our well caps are preloaded with the following setup: level, pressure, temperature, external voltage and an internal battery. To create a new soft sensor, click the Add Soft Sensor button at the top right hand side. Select your channel type. In this example, I'll use depth to water and base sensor of channel 1 water level, then click the Save icon. Click on the calibration page and select the depth to water soft sensor. You can start your own from scratch, but for now we'll use a depth to water template by searching in the search bar. Click on the edit icon. We can then change the name of the calibration to the date of the calibration, insert the depth to water or dip measurement, and our first true sensor or meters head reading. Then click Save. We can then check the sensor data page to ensure that our calibrations have taken effect. Another common water level calibration is a conversion to a relative surveyed level. We'll start by adding a new soft sensor, giving it the type of water level, and changing the UAM to meters AHD. We'll call this one depth to water RL. Choose the base channel of water level, then save the channel and head to the calibration page. Select the depth to water RL sensor, and then we'll add from a new template our MRL conversion. We can rename our calibration to the date of the dip measurement. Insert our surveyed datum, typically the top of casing in relation to sea level, and then the dip reading and sensor reading, then hit save. Finally, we can return to the sensor data and ensure all our calibrations have taken effect and are showing the correct results. Please check back in on the E.W.S YouTube channel for more videos and how-tos on interacting with our products in the near future.